Good morning, students. So, we were discussing about indicators. In the previous class, we have discussed about the indicators. You know what is indicators? Indicators are the substances that give different colors in acidic and basic medium. Acidic solution and basic solution, they give different colors. So, they are called acid base indicators, acid base indicators. And we know there are some natural indicators and synthetic indicators that we have already mentioned. Natural indicators, a litmus solution is a natural indicator, and red cabbage leaves, and then turmeric, then rose, that is China rose petals extract, etc. They are natural indicators. And synthetic indicators, methyl orange and phenolphthalein. These are the synthetic indicators. And here first of all, we are going to discuss about litmus solution, litmus indicators. Litmus solution that is extracted from lichen plant. It is extracted from the dyes of lichen plant. And this litmus, it is prepared in distilled water. Litmus which is prepared in distilled water, they have a purple color, and when it is formed, when it is prepared in distilled water, it is called neutral litmus solution, neutral litmus solution. And in laboratory you can see that a blue litmus solution and red litmus solution. In the laboratory you can see blue litmus solution and red litmus solution. Blue litmus solution, that is when we are adding some acids into the neutral litmus solution, when we are adding some amount of acid into neutral litmus solution, it become red color, So, I will show you that. See, this is litmus solution red, you can see this is litmus solution red. So, this is a litmus solution, and how it become red litmus solution, because into the neutral litmus solution, when we are adding some acids, it becomes red litmus solution. And then you can also see blue litmus solution. This is prepared by adding some amount of bases into neutral litmus solution, then it will be blue litmus solution. So, in laboratory you can see blue litmus solution and red litmus solution. So, these litmus solutions are used to test whether the given substance is acid, or the given solutions are acid or base. Okay? And in laboratory you can also see litmus papers. You can see this is litmus paper, this is blue litmus paper, this blue litmus paper, and another one is red litmus paper. This is red litmus paper. These litmus papers are also used to test whether the given substance or solutions are acidic or basic substance. Okay? So, we are going to discuss about the litmus solutions and how these litmus solutions are changing their color in the acidic and basic medium, Now, we have certain solutions. See, we are taking class from the chemistry lab. We have some solutions here. You can see this is dilute hydrochloric acid. And this is dilute sulfuric acid. And this is dilute nitric acid. I have taken the dilute solutions. We know we have also studied that concentrated and dilute solutions. So, what is dilute solution, what is concentrated solution, what is concentrated acid, what is dilute acid, etc., that we have studied already. Then this is dilute nitric acid. Then this is, so these are acids, and this is a base, this is sodium hydroxide. Solution, and this is ammonium hydroxide solution. Sodium hydroxide and ammonium hydroxides, these are bases. Then I also mentioned about the some natural and synthetic indicators. No, synthetic indicators, one is phenolphthalein. This is phenolphthalein solution. This is a synthetic indicator, phenolphthalein solution, and another one is methyl orange. So these reactions we will discuss later. Okay, this is methyl orange. This is another synthetic indicator. Okay. Now let us see what are the changes that is taking place in this blue litmus solution and red litmus solution in acidic and basic medium. So for that, see, I have taken some acid. See, for example, this is I have taken dilute hydrochloric acid. Dilute hydrochloric acid in a test tube. Okay, this is a test tube, and I have taken dilute hydrochloric acid. Now see, so we know this is an acid. So what will be the color change if red litmus solution is added to this acid? Taken some dilute hydrochloric acid, then I am adding few drops of red litmus solution. See, I am adding red litmus solution. So see, actually this is red litmus solution. So when red litmus solution to add to acid, see, it retains its color. There is no change in color, isn't it? But see, I am taking the same dilute hydrochloric acid in another test tube, and then I am adding blue litmus solution. This is blue litmus solution. See, I am adding a few drops of blue litmus solution. See, blue litmus solution, this is blue color, blue litmus solution changes to red. So it means what? When we are adding blue litmus solution to acid, and when the color changes to red, then this is what? This is acid. This is acid. When we are adding red litmus solution to acid, there is no color change. So that solution or that substance may be acidic or neutral. That is why there is no color change. But when we are adding a blue litmus solution to into acid, the color changes to that is blue color. That is, this is blue color. Blue color changes to red. Why? Because this is acid. So blue litmus solution changes to red if we are adding blue litmus solution to acid. Okay. Then another test that we are going to do is, see, we also took, I am taking a base. For example, here I have taken ammonium hydroxide. This is ammonium hydroxide. You know, ammonium hydroxide is a base. It is a base. So when we add red litmus solution, red litmus solution to a base, see what is the color change? See, red litmus solution changes to blue. Red litmus solution changes to blue. Why? Because this is a base. That is why red litmus solution, this is red litmus solution changes to blue, because the substance is what? This is acid, this is base. That is why blue litmus red litmus solution changes bases into, if it is a base, then red litmus solution changes to blue. And when we take the same ammonium hydroxide, when we take ammonium hydroxide in another test tube, and when we are adding blue litmus solution, let us see what is the color change. This is blue litmus solution. You can see this is blue litmus solution. So when we add blue litmus solution to a base, so let us see what is the color change. It is again blue. There is no change, no? It is again blue. no color change. So, why? Because this is a base, that is why there is no color change. So, what we learn from this, that is when we take acid in a test tube and when we add red litmus solution, no color change. But when we add blue litmus solution, it changes into red. Why? Because that substance is acid. That is why blue litmus turns to red. And when we take a base, for example, here we have taken ammonium hydroxide. So, ammonium hydroxide is a base. So, when we add blue litmus solution to that base, no color change, but when we add red litmus solution, that changes to blue, isn't it? So, that is the color change in acidic and basic medium. The same experiment we can also do with this is litmus papers, with the litmus papers. For that, again we are taking some acids and bases. So, I am taking dilute sulfuric acid here in one test tube. This is dilute sulfuric acid, and so I am taking blue litmus paper. So, you can see this is blue in color, and now I am dipping this blue litmus into this solution, into dilute sulfuric acid. See, you can see the color change. Here it is blue color, but it changes to red. So, acids turn blue litmus to red. Acids turns blue litmus to red. So, that is the color change. And then I am taking a base. This is ammonium hydroxide. Again I am taking ammonium hydroxide. This is ammonium hydroxide. You can see that again I am taking blue litmus solution, blue litmus paper. So, when we dip blue litmus paper in a base, so you can see there is no color change. You can see it is wet, but there is no color change. Why? Because bases, they will not change the blue litmus solution into any other color. There is no color change. But when we dip a red litmus paper, into a base, here the same, we have taken ammonium hydroxide. So, see the color change when I am dipping this in a base. See, you can see the color change. It was red, but now it is blue. Isn't it? Why? Because now it is blue, because this is a base. So, bases changes red litmus paper into blue. Bases changes red litmus paper into blue. So, in this way we can identify whether the given substance is acid or base. Okay. So, that is in the case of litmus solution and litmus paper. Blue and red litmus solutions are there and litmus papers are there. And we can also do these experiment in the case of neutral substances. See, you can see this is glucose. Glucose is a neutral substance. Now, I have made a solution. I have prepared a solution of glucose. This is a glucose solution. Now, let us see what is the color change in the litmus papers in acidic and basic medium. In this neutral solution, what is the color change in the blue litmus paper and red litmus paper. So, this is a blue litmus paper. I am dipping in this litmus paper. See, can you see any color change? There is no color change, the same color, isn't it? And again I am dipping red litmus paper into this. See, I am dipping in this. There is no color change, the color remains the same. It means for neutral substances there is no color change. For neutral substances there is no change in color of litmus solution and the litmus papers. You can see I am adding here red litmus solution into this neutral glucose solution. See, the same color we get. Can you see any color change? Nothing. See, only no color change, because only that red litmus solution, when we are adding, that is red color. When we are adding blue litmus solution, that is blue color only. No color change. So, for neutral substances, there is no color change at all. There is no color change. Another neutral substance is that here, this is sodium chloride. So, when this sodium chloride solution is also a neutral substance, when we add here we have taken blue litmus red litmus solution. Instead that we can take blue litmus solution. Let us see, is there any color change? The same, if see, we get the same color. This is the color of this blue litmus solution. No, the same color. There is no color change. Why? Because this is a neutral substance. That is why we are getting the same color. So, in neutral substances there is no color change, but when we add blue litmus solution to a base, no change. But when we add blue litmus solution changes to red, but when we add red litmus solution to an acid, no color change. But when we add red litmus solution to a base, what happens? There is a color change. Understood? So, these are the changes. These are the changes that is taking place in litmus solutions. Blue litmus solution, red litmus solution, and blue litmus papers, red litmus papers, and their color changes. Okay. Another indicator is that is turmeric indicator, and this turmeric indicator, the reactions of the color change of turmeric indicator, that we will discuss in the next class. Okay. I hope you understood all these things. Okay. Have a nice day. Thank you.